This is the ultimate flavour-packed veggie dish. All cooked in the air fryer and a great way to guarantee gorgeous grilled Mediterranean veg and fluffy flatbread. So I'm just gonna cut some peeled onions. They'll roast and get sweet and caramelised and gorgeous. I'm gonna take garlic and I'm just gonna roast the whole thing, right? I'm gonna take lemon, half it, roast the whole thing, right? Then what we have is a base, and then we've naturally given ourselves the ability to raise that shelf and create beautiful flatbreads later. So look, let's keep that out. So I'm gonna cook that half an hour, sort of 200 degrees Celsius. Next, take the courgette and just cut it in half down the length like that. I'm gonna slice it half a centimetre down, and we do it the other way. So we'll do the same with the aubergine. So let's lay our aubergines in and our courgettes. So half an hour cooking at 200 degrees Celsius is gonna do beautiful things. Let's now think about a dressing. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then go in with the lemon juice. Can you see how much juice is just pouring out? I'm gonna take a tomato. Take a box grater. You're gonna get this beautiful, fragrant, sweet tomato. I'm gonna go for some dried chili flakes. Next, some little olives. I'm gonna add just a little salt and pepper. Let's just have a little look at the garlic. So these onions go back in 5 or so minutes. I'm gonna take this apart. We're gonna turn this into a delicious base for these dressed veggies. And for that, I'm gonna call upon some beautiful yogurt. I'm eyeing up this leftover lemon. Just finely slice it, joyful. Add a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of that lemon juice, and some lovely olive oil. Then I wanna make some homemade flatbreads. 150 grams of self-raising flour, a nice pinch of salt, and 100 grams of yogurt. Just a little drizzle of oil. So as the mix comes together with the fork, then bring in your hands. If we have a look at the onions, right? They're still roasting in there. They're gonna give us that raised height so we can get some lovely colour out of this. Last but not least, cumin seeds. So just sprinkle those on the top and press them in. And then we'll put it into our drawer like this, and let's let the air fryer do its thing for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look. Put this in the dressing that we've made. So mint in, a little bit of parsley, and maybe just tear that. Just let that just marinate. Take in that lovely sauce, and then we've got our veggies here. And then last but not least, it's add like 5-6 minutes. Look, we got our lovely cheese flatbread. Under here, we've got the onions. We'll finish that with just a little feta cheese, just a little. Oh, wow. And then of course, when you take this and do a little bit of this. Oh. Mmm.